Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create brand name for your business. So in this video we'll see how can you choose a great brand name for your business. So let's say you have a business and you want to find a unique brand name which will suit your business. So having a good brand name is very important and to be remembered, and our brand name should be remembered by the customers, so it should be simple as possible and catchy as possible. So in this video we're gonna see how to create a great brand name for your website, so which is unique and easy to remember for your customers and audience. So this will also help you to stand out from your competitors in your market. So to find your brand name, we're gonna follow some simple important steps to make your brand name unique and rememberable by your customers and audience. So firstly we need to choose a keyword related to your business. So let's say the keyword is a term so that describes your business. So if your business is related to cakes, let's say your business is making the cakes and selling them throughout the country, or you have some specifications like completely it is about cake baking process. So I can make the keyword to be cake. So I can think of a keyword like it can be cake, or else it can be something like baking or bake. I can make something like that. So if it comes to something business of shoes, you can use the shoe as your keyword. So now we got our keyword, that is I want to take a keyword of cake. So let's take the keyword cake and let's move forward. So in order to generate a business name through the keyword that we have that is related to our business, so we're gonna use a tool called as namelix.com. So I'll be mentioning this link in the description, you can go check out this. So in the namelix.com, so this is a site which is going to help us choose a brand name to our business. So firstly let's enter the keyword that we are thinking of. Like I thought of a keyword that is cake. So let's give our keyword here and click on generate. So this is how, and now we can select how you want your brand name to be. Like, do you want it to be short? So short is something that is from 3 to 6 letters, and your medium name is from 6 to 12 letters, and your long name is from 12 and more than that is your long names. So let's click on a short name. So I wanted the short, so I'll just click on the short and click on continue. Next, and then here you can select the name style. So you want it to be brandable name like Google and Trulia, or you want to be a non-English words like Toyota and Audi. So I have examples here. So do you want it to be like misspellings? So you can find it many ways, like it the brand names are like misspellings of the words like Lyft, Flickr, and rhyming words like Subhub, Firewire, or else you want like multiple words like Facebook, Bitcoin, or else you want like compound words like FedEx or Instagram. And do you want the real words like Apple and Amazon, or else if you want like person names like you can find Armani. So like this. So firstly let's go over the brandable names that are popular. So then you just found this different styles here. So firstly let's go over the brandable names and click on generate. So then this will take some time and it will generate for you, and here you can find your brand names. So it has chosen, like here you have different brand names, so you can choose them from here, any of them. So firstly you can pick a brand name you like from here, and if you don't like any of this, you can create a new name like by changing the style. So let's click on create new names, click on this, and make sure you select the name which is easier to understand and pronounce. So let's say let's go with another style, like which we want is something like we want to be rhyming words. Let's go with it and let's click on generate and let's see what it gives us back. So you got it many things here, and then you can even you can pick it from here, or else if you don't like this too, you can go back and you can choose one more style and you can just even click on generate again to get the business name for your business. So then and here you can find other more names for your business. So I found so you can use these also, but these are premium ones, so you can get this for with the domain. So these are the premium ones and you can choose them from here. So let's say I like this, like the cake snap one, so just click on it, and after you pick, it's good to check if the domain name is domain name on the brand name, so that your company website can be in the same name of your brand name. So let's say you like this, and then so this is how it looks. So you like it, and then let's go back and let's check for the domain availability. So in order to check the domain availability, we'll go to the webspacekit.com and here we can search for the domain name. So let's say I'm gonna search for cakesnap.com. so the .com is all up to you, so you can use any extension like .n and all other. So let's search for this. So this is taken. Let's try with another extension and let's go with the other domain. So let's say I want to go with, and then let's choose one more. So the pick cake was good, so I want this to be my brand name, so I like that. So let's go check for it, and so this is available. So as soon as you see this available, you can buy it immediately, because before someone else would buy. So you can do it just by clicking on purchase. You can buy this. So here you can click on add to cart, and then you can click on continue. So here if you want a hosting service, you can just choose any one of this, or else you can just skip and you can enter all the details and you can check out here and order this domain for your brand. And then in order to get this brand name for your business, you can just click on save, and here it will ask you your Google your mail ID and all. So once you give your mail ID, so then you will receive an mail, you will receive this logo in mail. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.